Hey everybody, this is a tutorial on how to find the link to the OWL, the online writing lab, within your Blackboard classroom. So if you're in the classroom, you can go to the upper right hand corner, click on Home, then go to, it should say Student for You, and then scroll down, you'll see My Announcements. My organizations. You want to look for Keiser Writes Online Writing Lab, and then depending on what term we're in, it would be 19SA if we're in summer term, 19F as in Frank, A if we're in the fall term, and then WA if we're in the winter term. If you do not have this in your My Organizations, you can scroll back up, and over where it says Organization Search on the left, you can write Keiser Writes, and then go. And you will see down here that it has KU_OWL_19SA. And again, depending on what term we're in, that depends on what term you're looking for. So if you want to go to that, so you click on that, and then if you scroll down, oh, I'm already enrolled, so it doesn't allow me to enroll, but there is a block where if you scroll down, it'll say enroll. You click on enroll, and then it will go ahead and add that. So if you go back to your My Organizations after you've enrolled in the OWL, you should see Keiser Writes Online Writing Lab, and that's where you go. You click on that, and then to submit your paper, you click on this, and this walks you through the process of uploading. I've also have in the tutorial videos, I have video on how to actually upload your paper as well. I hope this helps. Have a great day.